Let's show the many different ways we can work with images in HAX. First, let's edit the page. If I know I'm going to need an image here at a later point in time, I could search for the types of blocks associated with images. Basic image, enhanced image, a GIF, memes, image galleries, timelines, image comparisons, image block quotes, cards, self-checks. There's a lot of different options. So either I can pick one of those that I want to put in the page, or if I already have media with me, in this case, I could just drag and drop it in. As I approach, notice that the top search bar highlights, but also these areas of the page if I was to drop there. So I could upload the media here in the side and it'll just insert it at the bottom of the page. I could take that image and drop it the exact place that I wanted it, which was at the top of the page. And after doing so, in either case, we'll see that it shows up as an enhanced image in the sidebar. So from there, I can modify the source, change the alt text, off after the big win. Link it to other places, make it look like a nice little card outline, and offer a caption and citation. So as we add these, we'll see that the caption fills in automatically. To build a gallery, I could take this image and drop it onto an existing one, and we see that we get them combined into one. I could also take that original image and drop it in the top bar to get a series of options as to what I want to do with the image, which could either be inserting it in the page, linking to the underlying file, setting it as the media for this page, or just uploading it. After uploading any file, I can always go under Site Settings and Files to find these files after the fact. So in the case of that last one, if I would have just uploaded that and then wanted to put it in the page after the fact or copy the link, I could just do some media management prior to actually adding it to the page.